You can create AI music in 60 seconds with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is Udio. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is Udio? Straight from the source, discover, create, and share music with the world. Use the latest technology to create AI music in seconds. In plain words, it lets you create AI music without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes Udio worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, it lets you create AI music in seconds. On top of that, no design or coding skills required. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with Udio. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. Everything runs right in your browser. You can export and use your result anywhere. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the Udio website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and Udio does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 60 seconds. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to create AI music with Udio in 60 seconds. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.